Hi, I'm here at Samsung's presentation in Zagreb, and in front of me is 83-inch S95F QD OLED TV from 2025 lineup. And let's quickly take a look at the interface and which options are there. So this is the home page, which looks quite similar to the previous versions of Tizen, with recent input, row with different apps, as well as recommended content from different streaming services. There's also this autoplay sound option, which you can toggle right here from this menu. And then going to the left, we see this side menu with user profiles, search function, ambient mode. Let's quickly take a look at that. Welcome to ambient mode. And different screensavers are available here, similar to what I've seen before. Next, let's see, we have a Daily Plus with different features and functions together with SmartThings functionality, connected devices. Here you see everything that's connected to the TV. And then settings menu, now we see it in bottom left part of the screen. All settings, sound mode, sound output, brightness, picture mode, AI mode here, and then here we have also Bluetooth, game mode, subtitle, Wi-Fi, multi-view, audio language selection, and finally sleep timer, support, energy saving, retail mode, and edit function. Let's see if we press it. We can move, so we cannot hide it, but move from each of these screens. I don't see screen off option right here, so probably it's somewhere in the full settings menu. If we go to brightness, let's see. One moment. Okay, so this settings menu will appear in bottom left part of the screen, and then we have color pad, numpad, settings, and SmartThings access. Now let's go to all settings that we see this menu. So about the TV, network settings, sound output, Q Symphony setup, usage mode right here, and you can even delete these shortcuts. And then picture, sound, connections, advanced features, general and privacy, and support. Now let's see picture, different picture modes, including these two retail ones. Let's select movie, eye comfort mode settings, smart calibration using phones released after January 2019, so same as before. And then going to expert settings, brightness, contrast, sharpness, usual settings. Here we see this remastering for HDR, so conversion of SDR to HDR like picture. Dynamic tone mapping you can enable here. Peak brightness, contrast enhancer, shadow detail, gamma, and same options like before. And then you can tweak BT.1886 if needed. Color space, auto, native, and custom, same as last year. Color booster pro, color temperature selection, white balance, 2-point and 20-point settings, same as before. Picture clarity settings, blur reduction and motion interpolation, as well as black frame insertion. Noise reduction is standard, high or off. And yeah, it's not separated, MPEG and noise reduction, so same as last year. Picture format options and reset option. Now let's see in sound options, sound outputs, sound mode, and different sound output options, expert settings, HDMI eARC mode here, and digital audio format. Dolby Atmos can be enabled here. Connections, advanced features, start screen options, you can choose. And then let's see, general and privacy, power and energy saving. Here you can choose to enable ambient light sensor, so same as last year. Broadcasting, parental settings, external device manager. Here you have this, here you enable full bandwidth for HDMI ports, HDMI black level can be adjusted here. Media switching settings, time, language, menu style. So you can adjust size of this menu here and also adjust its transparency. This is great. Keyboard and mouse, sound feedback, panel care, pixel shift, adjust logo brightness, pixel refresh, usage mode, and factory data reset. So menus look quite similar, it's just different layout that we see now, more compact and more calibration friendly. Home menu, the same, I don't see any customization options right here. On this TV, this is basically their top model. It's working fast, but clearly after whole usage and in home mode, I can make better judgment of that. So basically that was a short menu overview on Samsung's S95F. This is the remote which comes with Samsung's S95F TV. Solar charging, also USB Type-C connector here. It's made of plastic with shortcuts to Netflix, Samsung TV Plus, YouTube, and Prime Video. I don't see custom buttons. Home button, play and pause, which also activates game mode, at least that was the case on last year's model. And built-in microphone for voice navigation. So, basically same remote as last year. This is Darko. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.